Within PHP, overloading means to dynamically create a property or method that has not been declared or is not visible in the current scope. These dynamic entities are processed using what are known as magic methods. Magic methods are a collection of specialized methods with a unique naming convention that are executed in response to a PHP event. Each magic method name is prepended with two underscores, such as __construct and __toString. You cannot name a method with one of these special names without triggering the magical behavior. Due to the unique and specific naming convention, and as there are a little over a dozen magic methods in PHP, you probably won't accidentally create a magic method. Magic methods can be very useful. You can trigger custom behavior upon specific events, such as attempting to access an unset property or calling a method that doesn't exist. You can also customize the creation of an object and set defaults that aren't available at runtime, such as the logged-in user or the current time. But every rose has its thorns. Magic methods do have an overhead, leading to code execution that is anywhere from 3 to 20 times slower for that particular method call. Magic methods ignore scope, meaning that you can accidentally expose a property or method that is normally hidden from the rest of the program. Magic methods can break code completion in IDEs, meaning the IDE can't follow the logic and may assume that you're trying to access something that doesn't exist. With all that said, weigh the pros and cons of any technique before implementing it. It may be worth your IDE unnecessarily warning you in exchange for a contextual response to a request for an inaccessible property. The performance difference is able to be detected in benchmarking with millions of iterations, but in practical use, the difference is negligible. Sometimes it can be useful to have something that can logically decide whether or not to expose something hidden by scope. My goal is to educate and allow you to determine what approach is best for your needs.